Hello, I am Harshdeep, working as a functional consultant with NestorBird, and today I'll be showcasing you the platform capabilities to manage different stages of a lead, to managing different tasks associated with the potential customer till the final product is delivered to them, right? This is the landing page, right? You can see a quick reports on the landing page. Then we have multiple modules as accounting, buying, CRM, projects, selling, and stock. So as soon as we land to CRM and we get an email, we get a query from any of our potential customers through email or through the salesperson, it will be recorded as a lead, right? You can see here multiple stages of multiple sales pipeline associated to a lead are already there. Then some reports, campaigns are already present in this platform, right? So moving ahead, as soon as I click on the lead, it will land me to a Kanban view of the lead. So this is the Kanban view or the dashboard view for the lead page, right? So whenever you receive a new email or a contact, it will be created as a new lead over here. Once the salesperson gets into discussion with the lead, it will be moved under the discussion. And once a sales order or some kind of confirmation has been received from the prospect or the potential lead, it will be reflected over here. And if unfortunately you have lost that customer or that lead, then it will be reflected under this section, right? So moving ahead, I'll be just going to a new lead page from here for Mr. Ibrahim. I'll just click on here and it will land me to the lead page. So here is the lead form, right? All the basic details are there. You can capture the basic demographic information of the customer, of the lead, and the including the email number, mobile number, email IDs and mobile number, sorry. And if the lead is in an organization, then the details of that organization can be recorded over here. A lead could have multiple contact numbers or multiple addresses as well, that can be recorded over here. And once lead is qualified, right, it will be marked as qualified, and by the user who has qualified or the salesperson who has been in contact with the lead will be putting up his name over here and the date as well, on which date it has been qualified, right? Moving ahead, multiple tasks or multiple events can be arranged with that potential lead, right? From here you can create multiple tasks for your sales team or salesperson to contact that lead. On the other way around, you can create new events as well, and event could include a meeting, a call, or if you have already shared some emails, that can be reflected over here, right? And if you have some special comments regarding the lead requirements which only your sales team should see, can be mentioned over here in the form of a new note, right? And once lead is qualified, then you can go ahead and then you can go ahead and mark them as a potential opportunity, right? So right from here, just click on the opportunity and it will be created as an opportunity. Okay, it says I have some unsafe changes, so I'll be so once the lead is qualified, you can mark them as an opportunity right from the lead page. And here you can click on the opportunity and it will be created as an opportunity. All the details which are in the lead form will be automatically fetched, so you don't have to put it again, saving your time, right? And if lead has some contact numbers, it will be reflected over here, and the addresses as well. Now the lead is a potential opportunity, right? So they must be buying something from your organization, so you can add the items as well here. So in this case, I'm just taking a wedding invitation cards, right? Suppose they wish to order 500 quantities, and on the rate agreed would be somewhere around 300. This is just an hypothetical example. So you can add the items also in the opportunity part of that customer, right? So just click on save, and once an opportunity has been created, you can directly go ahead and send a formal quotation to the customer, right? So just click on the quotation part and it will be directly landing on the quotation part. All the details are automatically fetched, with all the items which customer wished to have, right? The rates are automatically fetched. You can manage various tax categories over here, right? I'll just go ahead and get the save the form. Now, once customer approves the quotation, he reviews and approves the quotation, the salesperson can directly go ahead and create a sales order right from the quotation. He'll click on the sales order. You can see a new sales order form has been popped up. All the details are automatically fetched up with the item he wished to purchase, right? And here, if you feel like adding a tax category, you can add the tax category as well. It has automatically fetched the by default one, which we have kept over here. I'll just go ahead and save this form. Okay, so system says that a delivery date is needed. So I'll just put a delivery date. Suppose it's 10th of this month. Just go ahead and save the form. Now this sales order has been created and you can see the status as to deliver and bill. That means we have to prepare this order and then we have to deliver and bill the customer, right? I'll quickly explain the tabs over here in the sales order. The first page is same, which has been carried forward from the previous sections. Then addresses and contacts, same thing has been carried forward. You can manage different payment terms with the customer, right? You can take some advance, then remaining amount you can take it later after the delivery. But in this case, I'm taking 100% at the time of delivery, right? Then there are some generic information related to a sales order and the sales people associated to it, right? So once a sales order has been created, a project will be created in the system to manage all the tasks regarding the wedding invitation cards. So I'll just go ahead and show you the project section, how it operates. So this is the Kanban view for the all the projects, right? So whenever a new sales order is raised, a new project will be created against that, right? So it comes under this new section, and whenever a work starts on that particular project, it will be moved to work in progress. It could be designing, and if after designing the customer wants to put the project on hold, then the team associated can put the project on hold, and whenever the printing starts, it will be moved to work in progress printing. And once the entire thing has been prepared and shipped to the customer, the project will be reflected under the shipped section of this Kanban view. And once shipping has been completed, we have received the final payment from the customer. It will be moved under the completed section. And unfortunately, if the customer has cancelled the project or cancelled the sales order, it will be moved under the cancelled part of the projects, right? So this platform is so well linked that I'll click on here and it will land me to the project and its associated details. So here we have landed on that particular project against that particular sales order of wedding cards, printing those wedding cards, right? There are multiple tasks associated to it. There are multiple sales. There is a sales order and a delivery note associated with it. Since the project is completed, that means invoice has also been raised and received payment from the customer, right? And all the necessary details are there. The status, right? You can manage the status from here as well. The work in progress and designing, on hold, all those statuses can be uh, managed from here. And if the project is of high priority, you can mark it as high priority, right? Then you can see the customer details over here. For this customer we have worked, and this is the associated sales order. And again, once you click on this link, it will take you to the sales order, right? If any special notes you want to put, if you wish to see how many users are working on this project, you can see over here. So basically it captures all the associated requirements related to the project. And now I'll be taking to the tasks which has been created under this project to complete the associated sales order and the requirements of the customer. So this is the Kanban view for the tasks associated with that particular project. Since the project is completed, so you can see all the tasks under the completed section. And same ways, if the tasks aren't completed and they are lying under different stages, then that will be reflected over here, right? And again, this is so well linked. You can just click on this, and it will take you to the tasks page of this project. So here is one of the tasks associated with that project, which is like packing of carts. You can see the status as completed, right? You can see the completed date, right? And various other fields can be recorded over here, right? Now suppose you wish to add another task, an extra task for this project. You can directly click from here. You can create a task over here. You can set the priority as urgent and just save it. And it shows a message that this task has been assigned to a particular user. So this user will get a notification once he log into his instance, and on the other side, he will receive an email stating that you have been assigned a task and the priority level of that task. So this is my email ID. So I'll be just logging to my email ID and showing you how that notification has been reflected in my inbox. So as soon as task is created, it will be assigned on a round robin basis to one of the user of the system, and he will receive an email stating that a new task has been assigned. So this is my personal email, and I have received an email stating that a new test task has been created and assigned to you from the administrator. And once I click on this, it will directly land me on the task page, and you can see my name has been associated over here, right? You can see my name, Harshdeep Singh, is associated over here. And once I complete the task and set the status as completed, another notification will be shooted to the admin stating that the task has been completed. So this is how the task management has been taken care on this platform. Moving forward, let me show you the dashboard associated with all the projects, and followed by some of the reports, right? So you can see all the projects right now in the system, 24. You can see a quick graphical report based on all the projects. These are the open one, the completed one, the cancelled, then the completed projects over here in terms of month wise, right? Then project type, there could be multiple type of projects. Some could be internal, external, then a few could be not specified, right? Then this is the percentage completed based on the bar chart, right? In which month how many projects we have completed, and the active projects. Somewhere we have 24, we have a few of the projects under the active section, so all those are reflected over here, right? So moving forward, right from here I can show you some of the reports. You just have to take support of the awesome bar. So I'll show you the project profitability report. So this can be managed on for each and every project. I have to just set the filters, and a project profitability report will be reflected. This is based on the timesheets, right? So if you wish to record the time taken by each and every user on a particular project, so a timesheet will be generated based on them, and it will be compared to the sales order, right? And based on that, a profitability report will be generated for each and every project. So this profitability report is against this project number, whatever is the billed amount and whatever is the cost associated with that. Both things will be compared, and a profit will be generated, right? Now coming down to the project wise profit and loss, and again I'll be taking support of this awesome bar. I'll just go to my profit and loss statement. So this profit and loss statement is based on all my activities happening on this platform. And to be specific for a particular project, I'll just click on the project filter. I'll select the project which I've just completed, which is project number 25 for Mr. Deepak Dawadi. You can see. So as soon as I put the filter, it will show you all the income minus expenses and the profit based on this project, right? So you get a graphical report as well as a detailed report, a detailed vertical report, I would say, based on the project in your profit and loss statement. I hope you liked the demonstration, and for any queries or concern, please feel free to connect at sales@nestorbird.com. Thank you very much.